Navigating the job market can be challenging. Temp agencies offer a flexible route to employment. This presentation outlines how to leverage temp agencies for career success. Learn to maximize your opportunities and land your dream job. Definition: a temp agency is a firm that matches workers with short-term or temporary jobs, acting as a vital intermediary between job seekers and employers. Purpose: they provide businesses with flexible staffing solutions while offering job seekers access to a wide range of opportunities. Job types: temp agencies offer diverse jobs from administrative to technical roles, with opportunities spanning various industries. Flexibility: temp work offers unparalleled flexibility. Choose assignments that fit your schedule and lifestyle. Variety: explore different industries and roles. Gain diverse experience to broaden your skill set. Temp to hire: many temp jobs lead to permanent positions. Showcase your skills and secure a full-time role. Registration: sign up with the agency and provide your information. Skills assessment: evaluate your skills to match you with suitable jobs. Job matching: the agency connects you with relevant job openings. Highlight skills: emphasize skills relevant to temporary positions. Tailor your resume: customize your resume for each specific job. Flexibility: showcase your adaptability and willingness to learn. LinkedIn: optimize your LinkedIn profile to attract recruiters. Social media: maintain a professional social media presence. Profile: ensure your online profile is complete and up to date. Industry-specific: look for agencies specializing in your industry. Reputation: check online reviews and ratings for feedback. Local versus national: consider the scope of the agency's reach. First impression: dress professionally and arrive punctually to demonstrate your commitment to professionalism from the very first interaction. Be prepared: bring your complete portfolio, including an updated resume and professional references to showcase your readiness. Ask questions: demonstrate your initiative by asking thoughtful questions about the agency's processes and opportunities. Agency interview: discuss your skills and career goals with the recruiter to find the best opportunities for your career path. Client interview: interview directly with the company to discuss the specific position and determine mutual fit. Common questions: be ready to discuss your experience, availability, and expectations during both interview stages. Skill tests: skill tests showcase your abilities to the agency. Importance: these tests are crucial for matching you with the right jobs. Preparation: prepare adequately to demonstrate your proficiency. Short-term assignments lasting a few days or weeks. Long-term positions that can last several months. Temp to hire: temporary roles that may become permanent. Project-based assignments focused on specific projects. Job boards: regularly check the agency's job boards for new listings. Notifications: respond promptly to job notifications from the agency. Search: actively search for jobs that match your skills. Communication: maintain regular contact with your recruiter. Availability: keep them updated on your availability. Feedback: provide feedback on your job preferences. Evaluate: carefully evaluate job offers to ensure they align with your career goals and expertise. Pay rates: understand pay rates, benefits packages, and compensation structures before accepting. Considerations: consider practical factors like commute time, workplace location, and daily responsibilities. Expectations: understand what to expect on your first day, including orientation schedules and initial responsibilities. Dress code: adhere to the company's dress code by wearing appropriate professional attire. Professionalism: maintain a professional demeanor through your conduct, communication, and workplace interactions. Adaptability: quickly adapt to new environments. Positive impression: make a positive impression on your colleagues. Initiative: show initiative and willingness to learn. Time management. Manage your time effectively. Prioritization. Prioritize tasks to meet deadlines. Conflict avoidance. Avoid conflicts between assignments. Gaps. Prepare for gaps between assignments. Uncertainty. Manage uncertainty with a positive attitude. Solutions. Seek support from your agency. Training. Take advantage of training opportunities. On the job. Learn new skills while working. Growth. Expand your skill set for career advancement. Building relationships. Develop meaningful professional relationships with colleagues and industry peers during your assignments. Leveraging connections. Maintain and nurture your professional network to create pathways to future job opportunities. Creating opportunities. Transform networking connections into concrete career advancement opportunities. Express interest. Communicate interest in permanent roles. Prove value. Demonstrate your value to employers. Persistence. Be persistent in your pursuit. Labor laws. Understand labor laws. Protections. Know your rights and protections. Agency policies. Review agency policies. Budgeting. Budget for inconsistent income. Taxes. Understand tax implications. Savings. Save when possible. Goals. Set personal goals. Attitude. Maintain a positive attitude. Reward yourself for achievements. Skill set. Build a diverse skill set. Industries. Explore different industries. Growth. Advance your career. Graceful exits. Leave assignments professionally and positively, ensuring all tasks are properly completed and transitioned. Relationships. Keep your professional connections strong by staying in touch with supervisors and colleagues after assignments end. Opportunities. View each ending as a stepping stone to new possibilities, staying open to future opportunities with the same clients. Feedback. Get constructive feedback from your temporary assignments to understand your strengths and areas for growth. Portfolio. Build a comprehensive portfolio of recommendations and accomplishments from your temporary positions. References. Request detailed references from supervisors who can speak to your skills and work ethic. Explore paths. Use temp work to explore career paths. Align assignments. Align assignments with career objectives. Plan ahead. Plan your long-term career goals. Real examples. Review real-life examples of transitions. Key takeaways. Learn key takeaways from successful workers. Inspiration. Get inspiration from success stories. Recap key strategies. Next steps. Plan your next steps. Success. Achieve your goals.